Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Talks. Today's topic is what is cryptocurrency. Today I am going to explain you briefly what is cryptocurrency. So let's get started. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital asset based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to exist outside the control of governments and central authorities. Experts believe that blockchain and related technology will disrupt many industries, including finance and law. The advantages of cryptocurrencies include cheaper and faster money transfers and decentralized systems that do not collapse at a single point of failure. The disadvantages of cryptocurrencies include their price volatility, high energy consumption for mining activities, and use in criminal activities. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies underpinned by cryptographic systems. They enable secure online payments with the use of third party. Crypto refers to the various encryption algorithms and cryptographic techniques that safeguard these entries, such as elliptical curve encryption, public-private key pairs, and hashing functions. Cryptocurrencies can be mined or purchased from cryptocurrency exchanges. Not all commerce sites allow purchases using cryptocurrencies. In fact, cryptocurrencies, even popular ones like Bitcoin, are hardly used for retail transactions. However, the skyrocketing value of currencies has made them popular as trading instruments to a limited extent. They are also used for cross-border transfers. Blockchain. Central to the appeal and functionality of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. As its name indicates, blockchain is essentially a set of connected blocks or an online ledger. Each block contains a set of transactions that have been independently verified by each member of the network. Every new block generated must be verified by each node before being confirmed, making it almost impossible to forge transaction histories. The content of the online ledger must be agreed upon by the entire network of an individual node, a computer maintaining a copy of the ledger. Experts say that blockchain technology can serve multiple industries such as supply chain and process such as online voting and crowdfunding. Financial institutions such as JP Morgan Chase and .co. are testing the use of blockchain technology to lower transaction costs by streamlining payment. Now, what are the types of cryptocurrency? Let's see. Bitcoin is the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency. An anonymous person called Satoshi Nakamoto invented it and introduced it to the world via a white paper in 2008. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies present in the market today. Each cryptocurrency claims to have a different function and specification. For example, Ethereum's Ether market itself a gas for the underlying smart contract platform. Ripple's XRP is used by banks to facilitate transfers between different geographies. Bitcoin, which was made available to the public in 2009, remains the most widely traded and covered cryptocurrency. As of November 2021, there were over 18.8 million bitcoins in circulation, with a total market cap of around $1.2 trillion. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever exist. In the wake of Bitcoin's success, many other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins have been launched. Some of these are clones or forks of Bitcoin, while others are new currencies that were built from scratch. By November 2021, the aggregate value of all the cryptocurrencies in existence had reached over $2.1 trillion. Bitcoin represented approximately 41% of that total value. Now, are cryptocurrencies legal? Fiat currencies derive their authority as mediums of transaction from the government or monetary authorities. Therefore, it has been difficult to make a case for their legal status in different financial jurisdictions throughout the world. It doesn't help matter that cryptocurrencies have largely functional outside most existing financial infrastructure. The legal status of cryptocurrencies has implications for their use in daily transactions and trading. In June 2019, the Financial Action Task Force recommended that wire transfers of cryptocurrencies should be subject to the requirements of its travel rule, which requires AML compliance. As of December 2021, El Salvador was the only country in the world to allow Bitcoin as legal tender for the monetary transactions. In the rest of the world, cryptocurrency regulation varies by jurisdiction. Japan's Payment Service Act defines Bitcoin as legal property. Cryptocurrency exchanges operating in the country are subject to collect information about the customer and details relating to the wire transfer. China has banned cryptocurrency exchange and mining within its borders. India has reported to be formulating a framework for cryptocurrencies in December. This is it for today, guys. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.